Hello, Yu. Please follow me to set the limit with A6 transmitter. Okay, firstly, you should press the setting key. Keeping press it for about 10 seconds. You will see the blinds go up and down for one time. And then keeping press the down button. You will hear the voice change. And then press up button to set the up limit. Stop. And keep press up and stop button together to save the up limit. And then set the down limit. Press down button. Stop. Keeping press down button and stop button together, save the down limit. And then keeping press the stop button to save the limit. When you hear a voice, it successfully. Thank you.